Early in the day, it was whispered that we should sail in a boat. Only thou and I, and never a soul in the world would know of this.
When I'm in the sea, the waves carry away my sadness. It builds my perspective for harmony, freedom, serenity, and certainty. All within this openness of faithful safety. For the sea, for me, for us. The sea is not just a mirror of visuals, but also emotions. It gives calmness, energy, even anger. But we are together.
Who knows when the chains will be off, and the boat, like the last glimmer of sunset, vanish into the night.
Merci la mer.